Hey, it's your Geli Mamma here, and today I'm working with the fabulous Kiki London to bring you this real cute spring daisy chain mani. So if you're doing this on your own nails, obviously you would want to prep your nail ready, and then you would want to apply a primer. The reason why a primer is good is because it gives basically an extra tacky layer, and that gives something for your base coat to stick to. So basically it just means that your mani is going to last that little bit longer, and obviously with a rubber base coat it's a bit more thicker, it's a bit more durable, so again it's going to help to make your mani last that little bit longer. So I've gone ahead and applied 2 coats of this. It's called Sea Blue. It's a gorgeous shade from Kiki London, and this is from their new spring collection. It's called Mojito Ice. And I'm actually going to be mixing it with this polish, which is called Zesty Blue. I just wanted a little darker shade of the colour, and that's what it looks like mixed up. And then I am basically going to be adding the sort of like the daisy chain stalks. Then I'm coming in with a white polish. This is called French White. I probably should have cured the green beforehand, but I didn't. So then I was like being careful not to go over that, and it kind of like, I don't know, it slightly changed the shape a little bit. So I'd do the flowers first, and then I would add in the stalks. That's my bit of advice anyway. And obviously what you're doing, I'm just showing you on the one nail, but you could do this over all of your nails all in one go, if that's sort of easier for you. So I went over that the green where I couldn't go over it before, and then I'm going to be coming in with this gorgeous yellow polish. So I was going to do it super cute, and I started out doing like the pollen bit being a heart, but then I don't know, I just didn't think it would show up that well, so I actually just made it go back to a circle. But that's an idea if you liked it anyway. And then I'm just going to carry on, you know, adding the daisy chain stalks. So you'd have some sticking up in the air, some sticking down, and that's been cured. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of white here, just to kind of, you know, carry the theme on, so when you've got your nails next to each other you can kind of see that daisy chain theme going all the way through. Now if you're fairly young, you're probably wondering what I'm going on about with a daisy chain, and I used to spend a lot of my childhood making these, as I found them really relaxing. Obviously it was free, I'd sit in my garden, and basically you would, unless you get your lawn treated, you will have these little white flowers that come up on your grass, and basically you pick those out, you put a little slit in the stalk of it, and you push the other daisy through, and that daisy that you've pushed through, you put a slit in that, and then you put another daisy through, and that's how you make a daisy chain. And yeah, I'd spent ages doing it. You know, first off you try and do a little bracelet for yourself, then a necklace, and then obviously you've got to do one for around your head. So yeah, basically I didn't have a PlayStation. But I did actually really enjoy it, and yes, so that's why I created this mani. It kind of took me down memory lane. It's something that was, you know, cute to do, and yeah, I really hope that you like the design, and obviously the reason behind the design. So this is how it all looks all together, going across all of the nails. So I know obviously it's not the best daisy in the world, but you kind of get the idea, hopefully. And hopefully you picked up that it was a daisy that I was trying to create. And then off camera, I applied their No Wipe matte top coat, and this is the end look. I think I prefer it in matte, but I know that there's some of you that only will apply it in glossy. That's why I try as much as possible to show you both finishes, so you can decide which one that you prefer. So thank you so much for watching, Jelly Babes. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.